Hey there, and welcome back to our section on fine-tuning. In the last video, we decided on what kind of data set we were going to use to fine-tune our model. We're going to take some relationship advice posts from Reddit, as well as the top comments, and collect that data to fine-tune our model. I've attached the full code in the previous video, so you'll be able to grab that and play with it if you like. But basically, it takes all the top posts from relationship advice and writes them to a JSON-L file, which is what we need. And that file is going to look something like this. We have prompts, and we have, a lot of them are long, but we have completions. And if you look at a single one of them, we'll see it is something like this with a prompt. Last night I had a really bad migraine, and da-da-da-da-da. And then the completion, which is the top comment, offering some relationship advice. So how are we actually going to get this in to start training? So if we go ahead and refer to the documentation for OpenAI, I've already installed their command line tool and given them my API key. And now I'm going to actually use their CLI data preparation tool. So they validate that the data is good. They take out things that are too long and good stuff like that. Okay, let's give this a shot. OpenAI tools, fine-tune, prepare. And then our file is called Reddit data JSON. So we're going to run that. Let's make that a bit bigger. Okay, so our file contains 318 prompt completion pairs. There are 3 examples that are very long. Okay, it doesn't contain a common ending. So basically they can handle everything, so the fine-tuned model is good. They're gonna offer us some advice, like a separator string. Okay, perfect. So we can just say yes. Yes, we're going to add a suffix separator to all prompts. Yes, we're going to add the suffix ending end to all completions. And yes, we're going to add a white space character to the beginning of the completions. We'll proceed. That just makes it easier to work with this model. Okay, so now it's prepared us kind of a better version of that file. And we can go ahead and train up our fine-tune model. So it's uploading it to OpenAI. It's going to train it up. And then once it's trained, we'll be able to actually go into the playground in the GPT-3 playground and start experimenting with our fine-tuned model. So that's all there is to it. As mentioned, all of the code that I've used to scrape this data and train it is in the GitHub, which is available to you. And if you need any further help, everyone is available to help you on the Discord. So I won't make you wait for this to train. It'll probably take half an hour or so. But I'll see you in the next video as we can start to play around with our fine-tuned model and see how it compares to the kind of results that we could get from a prompt design model. And I will see you in that next video.